everyone! How are you guys? Tara, luto pa tayo ng shrimps na may green peas. Let's prepare a 200-gram frozen shrimps and 350-gram green peas at tomato sauce. Naglagay din po ako ng red tomato sauce, 200 ml, at a slice of onion, 1 onion slice, 1 garlic slice, and some scallion slice, at 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and white wine, 3 to 4 spoons. In a casserole, heat and add olive oil. And now add the garlic slice and onion slice. Stir it until golden brown. The scallion slice or spring onion. Continue stirring it and until it will be ready, and then add the shrimp. And now let's put the wine. This is good for the shrimps, good smelly. And then add the tomato sauce. Stirring it and then add the green peas. Continue stirring it, and then when it's ready, you may add the salt and black pepper to taste. Cover it and let it cook for 30 minutes. And it's ready. Let's go serve it.